You're ready to ball out. You're ready to ball out.
Well, they're getting food already?
Yes, we come here to eat.
What's up?
I'm just kidding. Is it video? Are you making a video? My name is Kaylee Hugh. I'm not a cringy person anymore. We're gonna watch it in the past.
$25 hoodie for $5.
Chewbacca.
You want to go there? For the hoodies?
My friend, you want a picture? You want a photo? Yes, we're working for tips. Is that okay?
It kind of looks like him, but I don't know if it's him.
Who?
Come on, 会来这边就是说。